Good morning, children. Welcome back to my class. And here we can. So in the last class, that means in yesterday, we learned, which all topics we learned, Eva, yesterday? Yes, tell me, Eva, what all things we learned it in yesterday? Are you there in the class?
Food chain. Ma'am, food chain and food web.
Ma'am, we
Okay.
learned about food chain.
Food chain and food web. Okay, food chain we learned. Then after that, food web also. Okay, so if I take a small test, will you be able to write it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Take rough book. Everyone take your rough book. Everyone take your rough book. So here itself I am writing, okay? First
Ma'am, you
question.
don't share.
Oh, okay, yes. First question. And Celine, read the first question.
What is a food chain?
Okay, write it. Question and answer. Okay, so I already suggested you to take that rough book, write the on the same page as continuous, isn't it?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
we want to write example.
Wait. A second question is about that.
Ma'am, are we doing the workbook one? Workbook?
No, rough book.
Ma'am, what should we do?
Yes, write the question, write the answer also.
Ma'am, what should we do? I joined little late.
Why you are late?
Ma'am,
Every
because
day I
there
am
is-
getting this one.
Ma'am,
Why you are
because
late?
there is a problem. Ma'am,
So you
because there
can
was a
solve
problem.
those or problems before the class. You know the timetable. So
Not
don't
timetable, not about the timetable. I got the student
see 10:30 is the class, isn't it? So you should be ready at least at 10:25.
Ma'am,
You can come and sit
the
on.
answer for the second question is there in the board.
Write an example for food chain.
There is an example on the board.
Okay, so I will rub that one. Okay. Okay, first question, then the second question. Question number 1, question number 2. Fast, only 5 minutes I will give. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Over.
No, ma'am.
Why? Very only 2 sentences you want to write. Are you everyone is it writing?
Now what should we do?
Who is asking?
Shivadhyana came late.
What is the reason for late coming?
When I opened my laptop,
Wait.
it malfunctioned.
Sorry, Sivadhyan?
When I opened my laptop, it was not working.
When did you open the laptop?
At the time of the class.
At the time of the class means at what time? 10:30.
Ma'am, also network.
Ma'am, 10:28.
10:28. So you should, that is what I am saying it here. You should make it everything ready at least at 10:25. Isn't it? You should check your audio, video, These all, it is the first period. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
It is the first period of today's class. So you can make it these all things ready at least at 10:25.
Malayalam students, it is the second period.
Okay, okay.
Not everything ready.
Is it over, children? This much time only I can give.
Yes, ma'am. It's
Now what should we do?
Okay. So first question, what is a food chain? Okay, what is a food chain? See, children, here I can see a student. I don't know whether it is a student or not. No name. So I am going to, no, it is not Prajwal. D4A0E099. Is it Chris? No, Chris is there. Another.
Ma'am, I have already my name.
Okay, okay, not Prajwal. So, D4A0E099. Who's that?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes,
That I think it's a B.
Stephy. Okay, so first question, Jaswin, tell me the answer of that first question. First read the question, then the answer.
What is a food chain?
What is a food chain? Yes, answer. Did you write the answer, Jaswin?
No, ma'am.
Why? Why you did not write? It is a test, no? Small daily test. Why you did not write, Jaswin? What is the reason? What is the reason? So, write it 2 times, okay? Write that question and answer 2 times. Ayil Arun, read the answer. Ayil.
Ma'am, I'm writing.
So is it the situation? I can't take this. Okay. Adinath, read the answer.
Okay, ma'am. What is a food chain? Plants and animals linked to each other by eaten or being eaten is called food chain.
Linked. Don't say lingered. Linked. Linked. Okay. Don't separate that link and ed. Don't separate it. So read it together. Linked. Linked.
I mean, link, please, we can write connected.
Connected. Okay. Connected. Linked or connected together by eating or being eaten. Yes. That is the correct answer. Second one. And Celine, read the second question and its answer.
What is a food web?
What is a food web?
Connected food chains make a food web.
Okay, connected food chains make a food web. That
Ma'am,
is
I
the
read like this. When I say connected food chain form a food chain, food web.
yes, that is also correct. Okay, that is also correct. So, children, those who did not write this test, you have to write it 2 times. Okay. See, sometimes I will take a daily test at the beginning of the class or sometimes at the end of the class. I can't say how I feel in that way I will take. Okay, so Jaswin, write that question and answer 2 times and send it in my WhatsApp.
Ma'am,
Okay. Today, no marks. Okay, just giving some writing practice. That's it.
Ma'am,
Yes.
is that correct? Food web I wrote. Food chain is connecting like a spider's web is called food web.
Okay, that is that we are for understanding. We are saying it like that, isn't it? So, if it is asked for a definition or what is a food web, we have to clearly tell what it is. Okay, for understanding, we can say that food chains when it appears like a food web. That is only to for us. Okay, understood? So you should write the correct answer of it. What is that correct answer? Shreya Prasad. What is that? Connected food chains forms food web. Okay, connected food chains forms food web or connected food chains is called a food web. Okay, both we can write it. So next one. Yes.
Plants
So
can
here,
be eaten by any animal. The animal can be.
Sapna, what is it? Okay, so children, here
plants
in
can
this
be
picture,
eaten by-
here in this picture, you can see a food chain or food web. Muhammad Amil, in this picture, what you can see? It is a diagram of food chain or food web. Amil,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, is it a food chain or food web?
Food web.
Food web. Okay, so yes, in this food web, so many food chains are there. Am I right? Am I right? In this food chain, see, so I am giving a task. I am going to give a task. Okay, I am showing a diagram of the food web. From the food web, you have to write maximum food chains. Okay, who is writing maximum connected food chains? He is the winner. Is it okay? Is it okay? So here clearly, clearly, I am showing a diagram of a food web. In that food web, you can see lots of food chain. So write down the each food chain from it. Food chains, straight chains, food chains, you have to write it from it. So who is getting maximum number of food chain? He is the winner. So here it's the time to start. Okay, do it fast. So here all you should note down some important points are there for each food chain that you should keep it.
Ma'am, we can even put two animals.
At least 3 should be there. Okay, minimum 3 should be there. So now it is 10:50. 5 minutes, is it enough?
Yes, ma'am.
5 minutes. Okay, 10:55, you should complete that task. Adidev, Ayil, Chris, switch on your videos. Ivaros,
And my video is already on.
Rohit, Iva, Leia, Ameya. Ameya, yesterday also I did not see you.
Ma'am.
Why you took leave yesterday?
Ma'am, I'm Leia.
Ameya, unmute and tell me why you took leave yesterday. Rohit, are you not writing food chain? This task is for all. Ameya, I can't hear you. You are saying something, I can't hear you. Ameya,
Yes, ma'am.
now I can hear. So yesterday, if you are absent means today, it will be difficult for you to understand. If you are not watching, if you have not watched the YouTube, okay, recorded class. Now 3 more minutes. So that food chain should be correct ones. Okay. Okay. Should be connected. It should not break. Okay, I think 3 minutes is enough, isn't it?
No, ma'am, that is enough. That is enough.
No, ma'am.
Wait.
That is enough to write.
Okay, stop. Okay, stop. Everyone stop. Stop. Okay, so count out how many food chains you got. Count. Count. And Celine got 4. So is there 7? Shreya Prasad got 7.
Ma'am, I got 11. Ma'am, I
Oh,
got
Prajwal got 11.
Six.
Ma'am,
Okay, so we can see, is there anybody got 11 food chain? No. Okay, let me see whether that food chain which it is written by Prajwal, is it correct or no? Okay, we can check it. Yes, Prajwal, read it.
ma'am, carrot is eaten by rabbit.
Wait, Prajwal, you have to come near to the device. Say it loudly.
Carrot is eaten by rabbit. Rabbit
Is
is
wait.
eaten by-
Is there any carrot? It is shown in the picture.
No, ma'am. There's no carrot.
That is what I am asking. No, Adinath. Prajwal, I told from this diagram. Okay, you can make your own food chain. Okay, you can make your own food chain. That is okay. But now in this task, I gave a diagram. Prajwal, you did not see that diagram?
Ma'am,
Prajwal.
I have. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, in that diagram, is it any carrots?
Ma'am, can you show?
No, ma'am. But here I have made grass eaten by grasshopper.
Okay, grass. Okay. So grass. Grass.
Grasshopper eaten by frog.
Okay.
Frog eaten by owl.
Okay, so first one over.
Or python.
Which one?
Python
Next
is
chain.
eaten
Tell me about next chain. Starting.
Starting is with carrot and rabbit.
It is grass, no? Not carrot. Grass. Grass with grass and
Grasshopper.
again grass and grasshopper. Okay. Again grass and grasshopper. Then
Ma'am, it is starting with grass and grasshopper.
okay. Then
Grasshopper is eaten by frog or owl. Or a frog is eaten by owl or python. Python is eaten by owl.
okay. By the cobra or anything snake. Then snake to owl. Okay, that is also correct. That is also correct.
Squirrel is eaten by owl.
Wait, Prajwal, one by one. So second one over. Now you are going to say about third one. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
All others, please quiet. See, Prajwal, third one, start.
Squirrel is eaten by owl.
So what is the food of
Owl is
squirrel?
Squirrel is eating a nut. No, grass. Grass is eaten
Grass.
by
See,
squirrel.
children, it is very important. Each one of the food chain should start from plants. If you are not writing about plants, that is not a food chain. I can't connect, take that one. Wait. Okay, so whenever you are writing a food chain, that should start with Joseph, not Joseph, Sapna.
Yes.
So each one of the food chain should start with
Grass.
grass, not grass, not only grass, plants.
And
That can be grass, that can be fruits, that can be vegetables, that can be nuts. Okay, whatever it is. But in the given diagram, today in the given diagram, what is there? Grass. So you should start using the grass. Okay, Prajwal, third one. Prajwal. Wait, Prajwal is not here. He left. Prajwal.
Ma'am, can I say 9?
Okay, he got the maximum number. That is why I want to check that one.
Ma'am, can
Okay,
I say
is he present, children? Adidev, please check. Is it Prajwal is there?
Ma'am, can I say I have network problem here? Current gone. That way.
Okay, power failure. Here it is power failure. Okay, now it is okay.
Ma'am,
Okay,
That's
then
good.
say about the next one. Third one, start the third food chain.
ma'am, grass is eaten by squirrel. That it didn't complete, ma'am. Squirrel
Okay,
is eaten
grass,
by
say, stop it and say, grass is eaten by squirrel. Okay, then, then what happens to squirrel?
then fourth, then
Say,
then squirrel is also eaten by fox.
okay, squirrel is being eaten by fox. Okay, is it over there? Third one.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am,
third one is also over. Okay, next one, fourth
Ma'am,
one.
Ma'am, I counted the animals, not the food chain.
Uh-huh.
That is 11.
So it is over now.
Yes, ma'am.
So your food chain is over now.
Ma'am, I had one more, but it was
Then tell me.
not in-
So Shreya Prasad, how many you got, Shreya?
7, ma'am.
7. So can you tell me, is there anybody got more than 7?
Ma'am, 8. Mama, Adinath, I got 8.
You got 8 at that time.
8. Arfan 8.
Arfan and Adinath got. But at that time, I saw only
Ma'am,
Shreya is raising hand with 7 number.
Muhammad
Isn't it?
8.
Get the number 8 right now.
So now,
Ma'am,
then
Muhammad
Shreya Prasad, tell me.
First one is
Ah.
grass is eaten by rat.
Okay.
Then rat
Mm.
is being eaten by, I wrote jackal.
Jackal. Okay, jackal, wolf, fox, whatever it is. Okay, no problem. It is picture only it is given. Very good.
Second one, grass is eaten by grasshopper. And grasshopper is being eaten by frog. And frog is eaten by owl.
Okay, that is first one. Prajwal told it. Okay, next one.
Third one, grass is eaten by squirrel. And squirrel is eaten by that jackal.
Okay, that is also we discussed. Then next one.
Next one, grass is eaten by rabbit. And rabbit is eaten by snake. And snake is eaten by owl.
Okay.
Fifth
Very
one,
good. Okay,
grass is
fifth
eaten
one.
by grass is eaten by grasshopper,
Hmm.
and grasshopper is eaten by rat, and rat is eaten by jackal.
Okay, another one. Okay.
Sixth
Then-
one is grass is eaten by grasshopper, grasshopper is eaten by frog, frog is eaten by snake, snake is eaten by owl.
Okay, that we already discussed.
Seventh
Two
one,
more.
grass is eaten by grasshopper, grasshopper is eaten by frog, and frog is eaten by owl.
Owl. Okay. Is there any other?
No, ma'am.
No. So how many are there?
7 1.
I thought there was no rabbit. Look, ma'am,
Okay.
I have
So
a
here,
slate.
Prajwal, please quiet. Please
Ma'am, I
be
have
quiet.
6.
So here, is there any other this one chain than this? Any other got? Any of the student got any other food chain other than this?
I got.
Huh? Who it
Ma'am,
is?
I got.
Rohit. Okay, Rohit, tell me.
Trust.
Rohit, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Fast. Which one is that?
Ma'am, I have. Ma'am, grasshopper eats grass. Frog is a grasshopper. And frog is eaten by the jackal.
Okay, like this. This one is also.
No, ma'am. Frog is not eaten by jackal. Rabbit is eaten by
Yes,
jackal.
ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am. Answer.
Arrow is for the rabbit, isn't it?
Can I
Huh?
say-
See children,
I
see
have-
children. I
have
think
6.
frogs, this jackal, wolves, they are not behind these frogs. Am I right? Huh?
Ma'am,
Yeah, rarely, maybe as they are carnivores, we can't say it. Okay, so children, all these in a food web, when we see in a food web, so many food chains are connected. All these food chains starts from, starts from
plant.
plants. Okay, got it. So is during drought means if it is water is not available in a particular area due to some climatic change. Okay, due to some climatic change, if there is no rain and in that place, if they are not getting enough water, what will happen to the plants at that time? What? Yeah, they all may get dried up, isn't it? So the animals which are depending on the plants for their food, what will happen to that for them?
They'll go
They will
extinct.
also die.
Yeah, they also will, due to the scarcity of food, as they are not getting enough food. What will happen to this? Seeds, if the plants are not there, the rat, the grasshopper, squirrel, like these animals, which depends on plant and parts, they may die up. If they are dying, if they start to die, what will happen to the number of number in them? Will it increase or decrease? Decrease. The number of animals of that kind may get decrease. See children, if the rats are less in number, will the snake, owl, jackal, like these animals will get food?
No.
No. So if due to some reason, if the plants are not there, that may affect the whole food chain. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that may affect the whole chain and some of the animals may die. And that may lead to the decrease in the number of, that particular type of animal. Okay. So you might have heard about this one, Bengal tiger. See, hunting this Bengal tiger, it is illegal. If anybody is hunting this Bengal tiger, they will be behind the bars. They may be taken to the jail. Okay, that is very illegal because they're not.
Channel, and there's a person named Wild Frank, and he went to search a Bengal tiger, but he didn't kill the Bengal tiger. He just went there.
Okay, so here in this picture, wait. So here you can see Asiatic lion. Okay, lion which are seen in the Asian region. That means some particular characters are there. Wait. Okay, so and you can see tiger also. This is called Bengal tiger, Indian tiger. Okay, and here also due to some reason, not only because of the food, maybe because of some climatic conditions also, they are becoming less in number. So nowadays we are protecting these type of animals. Okay, a snow leopard, red panda, like these animals are there. So children, Shivadhyan, you have to prepare a PowerPoint presentation. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, PowerPoint presentation on endangered animals. What do you mean by endangered animals?
Animals that are not many in this world.
The animals that are not. They are. The number of that kind of animals are becoming less in number. And if this condition is continued, after some years, those animals will not be there. As the announcers, dodo. Have you heard about the bird dodo?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it is endangered. It is not at all present now on the earth.
It is like
Yeah, in the in the same way, these animals, if we are not protecting them properly, that may lead to the that these animals will not be present more anymore.
Ma'am, can
Okay.
I tell one thing, ma'am?
Yes. So in the next class, Shiva Dhyan will present a PowerPoint presentation on these endangered animals. What is the reason behind it? Which are the endangered animals? How we can protect them? How we can save them? Are you ready, Shiva Dhyan?
Yes,
Are you
ma'am.
ready? Okay. So next Monday. Okay. So
Can you say more enchanted animals definition because my net was gone like first time.
okay, endangered animals means animals which will be will be not in the on the earth after some year. Okay, their numbers are decreasing.
Ma'am, our
Okay.
future.
In future, there won't be any type of animal, that type of
Ma'am,
animal.
our future will say like this.
Yes.
There
So
was a
children,
hyper big cat.
now it is the time to wind up today's class, and next class we can all see Shiva Dhyan's PowerPoint presentation. Okay.
Ma'am, I know
Okay.
one thing about
Okay. So
Asia
today I
Kitten.
will send some homework in the class group. You have to do it. Okay.
From the
Okay. Thank you. Bye.